Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Garmin Bands is probably one of the most essential accessories for anyone serious about fitness tracking and smartwatch functionality. These bands not only enhance the look of your device but also play a crucial role in comfort and durability during various activities. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a run, or just wearing your watch daily, the right band can significantly improve your overall experience. Number 5. Fullmosa Rose Gold 18mm Stainless Steel Watch Band. This is the Fullmosa 18mm Stainless Steel Watch Band. It's designed for both men and women, offering a blend of style and durability. It's a perfect replacement for your watch. This watch band is compatible with a range of smartwatches, including Garmin Vivoactive and Huawei watch models. Please check the description for specific model numbers to ensure a perfect fit for your watch. The band is designed to fit most wrists with its adjustable links. You can easily adjust the size using the included link remove tool, ensuring a comfortable and secure fit. Featuring a double push-button design and fold-over clasp, this band provides extra security for your watch. This clasp offers both fashion and convenience, keeping your watch safe. Crafted from premium 304 stainless steel, this watch band offers a luxurious feel and long-lasting durability. Every detail has been carefully considered in its design and manufacturing. With your purchase, you'll receive the 18mm stainless steel watch band, a quality control card, a link remove tool, and extra pins. Everything you need for a perfect fit and easy adjustment is included. What we like. This band is crafted from premium stainless steel, offering a luxurious and durable feel. The double push-button design ensures your watch is securely fastened, giving you peace of mind. If you are looking for a stylish and secure band that can be adjusted to fit your wrist perfectly, then you should consider this one. What people say. This watch band also supports the newer easy-to-connect pin technology that attaches the band ends to your watch. Using a simple watch repair kit, I removed 2 links and my watch fits me perfectly. The clasp mechanism is precise with a crisp click when closing, and it easily snaps open to remove the watch from your wrist. Number 4. Garmin HRM-PRO Premium Heart Rate Strap. This premium heart rate strap provides real-time heart rate data. It uses AN+ and Bluetooth technology to connect with your Garmin devices and other training apps. The strap captures running dynamics. It measures things like vertical oscillation, ground contact time, and stride length. It stores heart rate data during swimming. The data automatically sends to your watch when the activity is finished. This device also stores steps, calories, and intensity minutes. It syncs to your Garmin watch when in range. The heart rate monitoring module is small and lightweight. The strap itself is soft and comfortable to wear. You can use this device for a long time. The battery life lasts for up to 1 year. What we like. This strap transmits real-time heart rate data and captures running dynamics, providing comprehensive insights into your performance. It also stores data during activities and syncs it later. If you are a runner or fitness enthusiast who wants to track detailed metrics, then it's a great choice. What people say. The chest strap is comfortable and lightweight, and I barely notice it during long workouts. The heart rate data is incredibly accurate, providing real-time insights into my training intensity. It syncs easily with my Garmin watch and other devices, and I love that it also tracks running dynamics, like cadence and ground contact time. Number 3. Garmin Watch Band Rugged Nylon Sports Strap. This is a super rugged nylon sports strap. It's designed to be a tough replacement band for your Garmin watch, perfect for men who lead an active lifestyle. The band features a unique woven loop design. This design not only looks great but also adds to the durability and comfort of the strap. It's compatible with a wide range of Garmin watch series. This includes Phoenix, Forerunner, Approach, MARQ, Quadix, and D2 series watches. This band is built to last. It's a tough replacement, ready to withstand the rigors of your daily activities, whether you're at the gym or on an outdoor adventure. Designed with men in mind, this watch band offers both style and functionality. It's the ideal accessory to complement your Garmin watch and enhance your overall experience. What we like. This band is made of super rugged nylon with a woven loop design, built to withstand tough conditions. It's designed for durability and comfort during your most demanding activities. If you like outdoor adventures and need a band that can keep up, then you should consider this one. What people say. It was easy to install, it is very comfortable and secure, I also love the look of it. The quality is excellent, the nylon feels durable yet soft on the skin, and it's very comfortable to wear all day. They are built very well and feel very high quality. I like variety in many things and watches with strap colors is among them. I prefer this style as it lends me the ability to adjust the fit to my exact preference and not be stuck on one hole or the other, longing for one in the middle. It also lets my hot-natured skin breathe better than the typical included rubbery strap. The hardware is solid and the Velcro is high quality with the newest construction that does not pill or fray. It does not loosen when wet. It maintains a dry performance in all environments. The attachment point to the watch is toolless and precise with no appreciable side-to-side play and has plenty of articulation inward to fit smaller wrists. Number 2. Garmin Watch Band Keeper, 6-pack silicone loops. Are you finding your watch band is always slipping? This handy accessory is designed to keep your watch band secure. It's a simple solution for a common problem. This is a set of 6 replacement band keepers. They are made of durable silicone. This ensures a secure and comfortable fit for your watch. This product is compatible with a wide range of Garmin watches. It works with Vivo Active, Forerunner, Venus Square, and Phoenix series. This makes it a versatile choice. Installing these keepers is a breeze. Simply slide the loop onto your watch band. It will hold the band securely in place. Made from high-quality silicone, this keeper is built to last. It's resistant to wear and tear. This ensures long-lasting performance. With these band keepers, you can say goodbye to loose bands. It will keep your watch securely on your wrist. Enjoy your activities without worry. What we like. These fastener rings are made of silicone, ensuring a secure hold for your watch band. They are designed to keep your band in place during any activity. If you have a Garmin watch and need a reliable way to keep your band secure, then you should consider these. What people say. Excellent quality and fits my Garmin watch exactly like the OEM one. These ones are just a bit smaller, and the band fits into it pretty tightly. That means it stays in place much better when put on, but it's also a little more annoying to take the watch on and off. I've had it on for about 2 months of daily use, and it seems very sturdy so far. Fit perfectly. Watch stays latched again. Number 1. Garmin Forerunner Replacement Watch Strap. Is your watch strap worn out? This replacement strap is designed specifically for your Garmin Forerunner. It's the perfect way to refresh the look of your device. Made from high-quality materials, this strap is built to last. It's also designed for comfort, so you can wear it all day long without any issues. Replacing your old strap is a breeze. The new strap easily attaches to your Garmin Forerunner. You'll be back to tracking your activities in no time. Choose from a variety of colors to match your style. Whether you prefer something classic or bold, there's a strap that's perfect for you. Don't wait any longer to upgrade your watch. This replacement strap is the perfect accessory for your Garmin Forerunner. Get yours today and enjoy a fresh new look. What we like. This is a replacement watch strap specifically designed for Forerunner models. It's made from durable materials to withstand daily wear and tear. If your current strap is worn out or damaged, then you should consider this replacement. What people say. It was extremely easy to replace using the included tools. And they even give you new bars and some screws as well, so now I have extras just in case. I love the rubbery feel of these bands. It is exactly same feel texture as the original black one that came on the watch. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.